9 on your side at 7.
Welcome back. This weekend is the Orionid meteor shower, and we have the secrets to seeing it. You can see it tonight and tomorrow night. Experts say the best views should come early Sunday morning. They say to look up after the moon sets, but before the sun rises. NASA says you'll be able to see it from anywhere on Earth and that you don't need binoculars or a telescope. Get away from light pollution for a better view. And sticking with the skies, Northern Kentucky University's SCHNEIDER Observatory will reopen tomorrow, just in time for that meteor shower. The 1,000 square foot observatory has been closed for 2 years. Tomorrow is also International Observe the Moon Night, and joining me now to talk about the grand reopening and what they have planned is NKU Assistant Professor of Physics and Astronomy, Nathan DeLee. Nathan, we want to thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Exciting times for you guys.
Indeed.
2 years closed. What will we see that's new and different?
Well, so some things are the same in the sense that we will have 6 8-inch telescopes, one 11-inch telescope, and a 14-inch telescope. But in between, we've actually upgraded a lot of the hardware associated with our positioning systems and the cameras that we use to take images.
Okay.
So we can read off much faster and get much better detail on a lot of the scientific imaging that we're going to be doing.
So in terms of what you'll be able to see, crisper and more clear?
Yeah, and also into fainter levels than we've been able to do in the past. Also, just having the observatory means that we're up above the campus lights, which can complicate looking at the sky.
It can blind you.
Yes,
Literally,
and blind the telescope as well, right?
Yeah.
And so having the observatory means that we're above the lights, that you're in kind of an enclosed space. Imagine observing over the course of the night, and sure, 60 degrees is fine for an hour or 2 or 3, but as it slowly gets colder and colder and colder, the observatory provides protection and allows us to work all the way through the night.
As someone who keeps his eyes trained on the skies, why are you so excited about all this?
Well, I mean, really fundamentally, the observatory is about educating our students at NKU. And the thing that sort of separates, if you just sort of think philosophically, what makes science science is that we observe the natural world. And this will give our students the ability to actually do that. Right? Go out, take data like you would as a professional astronomer, reduce it, and basically learn the tools of the trade. Of course, it's also nice for the public to be able to come out and see objects that they would not be able to see, you know, obviously with their naked eye. You can get a whole new view of the planets. For instance, Saturn and Mars will both be up this weekend.
Wow.
And you can actually see like the ring around Saturn. It's really quite breathtaking to see.
It is. Okay, International Observe the Moon Night.
Right.
It's tomorrow.
It's tomorrow.
So what are y'all doing for it?
So it was a program started by NASA in 2010 to make us, you know, basically appreciate the friendly celestial body in the sky, right? The thing that we all kind of know on some level. And the purpose of this night is to unite over 800 different organizations to look at the moon, learn about the moon. We'll, of course, have our observatory open as a free public event. We'll also have, you know, arts and crafts like making lunar phase calculators, and we later on in the night we'll actually open up the planetarium, and we have software that lets you literally fly around the moon using your body.
Very cool. Fun stuff to do this weekend. Congratulations on the grand reopening. Thanks for your time. Really appreciate it. And a question for Steve now. Will weather obscure any of the stargazing views?
Well